We're going to play a game today to determine how well I know my girlfriend. She signed up for Wantable. How that works is you fill out a questionnaire online and pay $20. They'll ship you a box with 7 different clothing items in them. Neither my girlfriend or I know what's in this box. So I'm going to take the items out, see what they are, and try and guess whether she's going to keep them or send them back. Let's get opening this box. Alright, first thing we've got, some nice wrapping here. It says, "Styled for Christina." Open that up. Alright, so right off the top we've got some paperwork here. And this is every item that's in here, so I'm going to keep that to the side so I can go over pricing to see if I think, because pricing will definitely play a part into it. Card that talks about the items and returns and exchanges, as well as a prepaid label to send back. Alright, so first item we've got here, we've got some jeans. Oh, and I already know we're doing well right off the bat. I'm just going to set this down, because these are skinny jeans, but they're athletic stretch. Oh yeah. Good stretch to them for sure. That's something she will like. If you're getting jeans, they gotta have the stretch in them. So in these jeans, these are Vegas, let's see, $68 for these. Jeans, I'm gonna say yes. Okay, next we've got a shirt. Oh, okay, so this has got, they call it it says cross neck, but it's kind of like the neck that it's kind of flowy. It's kind of like having an infinity scarf, but not having to wear one. And it's got a pocket in the front like a hoodie. Oh man, this is gonna be tough. You know what? It's gonna be 2 for 2. I'm gonna go with a yes on this one too. We've got just a pocket tee, but it looks like it's got like an animal print to it. Just a pocket tee. I mean, she doesn't really wear t-shirts. So, right off the bat, I think she'll like the design, but the feel, it's not super soft. It's kind of just a standard pocket tee. I'm going to say no on this one. Okay, so this is interesting. This is a quilted vest. She does like wearing vests, but I don't think she'll like the design of this. Like, it's got kind of bulky, and it's got the two big pockets on the front. So I don't think she'll love this one. Plus it's $54, which isn't crazy, but I'm gonna say no on this one. So this is a duster, which looks like it's a very long, oh, wrong way. Kind of like a sweater dress here. And I don't know that she wears these very often. So this is $69. I'm gonna say no on this one. Okay, baseball tee is next. You know, she's gonna love the colors and the feel of this one, but she doesn't really wear shirts that are this short, like this kind of length. So I'm gonna go with a no on this one as well. It seems like it's too wide and doesn't have the right length for something that she would wear. And then last, we've got joggers. I mean, I think this is a pretty easy one. She's really loving joggers now. I don't know that she's gonna love the design on these. They're kind of camo. So that's a wild card, actually. I was gonna say yes just right off the bat because they're joggers, but the camo, and they've got a hole in them. So I'm gonna go no. And if she even says that she wants them, I'm still gonna take it. She's not gonna keep it because there's a hole in them. So I think I win it instantly on this one. I'm gonna say no. But she does love joggers. Alright, so that is all 7 items. So just to recap, we had skinny jeans, the stretch. It's important, $68. I'm gonna say yes. The tunic, because of how soft it was and the color and the design with the pocket in the front, I'm going to say yes on that as well. The pocket tee, she's going to like the design, but realistically the feel of it, and she doesn't really wear t-shirts, so I'm going to say no. The vest, she does wear a vest and she likes them, but I don't think she's going to really like the design of that one. It was a little too, for lack of a better term, masculine. It was a little like burly. So no on that. The duster, I'm going to say no. She's going to love the feel and the color, but I don't think that's something that she would wear. The baseball tee, I think she's going to like the feel of that one and the colors as well, but it's going to be a little too short for her. The length of it is not going to be enough for her, so I think she's going to say no on that. And the joggers, I'm going to get an easy win on that. I'm going to say no because there's a hole, but even if there wasn't a hole, she loves joggers, but I don't think she's going to be that into the camo print. How did I do? I feel I did pretty well. 4 out of 7. And yes, I am counting those joggers. She did put a thumbs up in the picture, but I explained to her about that hole afterwards, and she sent them back. Well, that's all I've got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.